Hello students, this is the Arkan Aishram, your biology teacher. Yeah, today topic is depletion of ozone layer. So before start the topic, we'll discuss yesterday topic briefly. Yeah, what we discussed yesterday? 10% law. What 10% law? Yeah, only 10% of amount is transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level. So we call 10% law. It is the energy is movement only unidirectional. So plants to lion, see again already gave an example, plants to lion. So plants to deed to lion, only the energy transfer only unidirectional, right? See, main source is sunlight. Yeah, so 10% law means 10% amount is transfer. So suppose the plants absorb 1000 joules of light energy. Suppose plants absorb 1000 joules of light energy. So how much they can utilize? 90% of energy is utilized for photosynthesis and growth. Only 10%. So 1000 లో 10% ఎంత? 10. So 10 joules energy is available as a plant food. So these 10% is mean, so 10 joules to 10% ఎంత? 1 joule. So only 10% amount, 10% of 10 joules energy is transfer from plants to deer. Yes or no? సో ఎంత అమౌంట్ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది? 10 జౌల్స్లో 10% ఎంత? 1 జౌల్. మరి 1 జౌల్ 10% ఎంత? 0.1. సో 10% energy is transfer from deer to lion. So 0.1 joule is transfer. So first trophic level, second trophic level, that is the third trophic level. So that is what we call 10% law. What about remaining energy? They can utilize for growth and respiration. Most of the energy is evaporate through respiration. That is the yesterday topic. Yeah, coming to the topic is depletion of ozone layer. So what is oxygen formula? O2. How do you know? Yeah, oxygen is a gas, is essential for life. Yes or no? Yeah. What is the ozone formula? O3. So ozone is also a gas, but it is very poisonous. So oxygen is a very essential for life, but O3 is poisonous gas in a nature. Yes, ozone is formed high up in the atmosphere by the action of ultraviolet radiation on oxygen gases. So these ozone layer, they can protect the earth by UV rays. See student, this is the earth. So this is a satellite picture, shows that a hole has already been formed in ozone layer over Antarctica. Where is stored is ozone layer? In means the hole is formed on a Antarctic area. Hole is not a అంటే హోల్ ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ గ్యాస్ ఈజ్ absent. That means depletion of gases, depletion of ozone layer, that is we call hole. Yeah, the blue area in the above picture is the hole in the ozone layer, where there is a virtual no ozone at all. So these places we call ozone. Ozone is means layer, means holes of ozone layer. Actually the earth is covered by ozone layer is present to protect the earth from UV rays, but nowadays they form a ozone layer. But I think according to NASA and many scientists, present the hole is covered. ఎలా? కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్. ఎస్ సార్, కరోనా ఎఫెక్ట్ లాస్ I think 4 months, 3 to 4 months onwards, nobody not using more vehicles, so no pollution. Yes or no? So according to nowadays the situation, they said the hole is means to cover the ozone layer. The hole is means to presently to covered through O3, means ozone layer. Right children? Yeah. So this is the O2. So oxygen molecules, UV radiation from sun. So O plus 1. So O atom plus O atom. So it's called oxygen. So that is the air we can take. So right. one oxygen atom react with the an oxygen molecules to form a ozone molecules. See, O2 plus O, so O3. So O3 is the ozone layer formula. So ozone layer is a very important for the existence of life on earth because it absorbs most of the harmful UV rays or ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. Why? Because of the ultraviolet rays can cause skin cancers and damage immune system. That's why the ozone layer to protect the earth and all life through UV rays. From UV rays. Yeah, ozone is getting depleted or reduced due to the use of chemicals called CFCs. Because of very harmful chemicals, not only carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and CFCs also, chlorofluorocarbons. CFCs, what we call chlorofluorocarbons. So important one bit for exam. Yeah, CFCs are widely used in refrigerators and air conditioners, fire extinguishers, and in aerosol sprayers. What is aerosol sprayers? And see, so these type of cancers, these type of skin cancers can be used by UV radiations come from the sun. ఒకవేళ యూవీ రేడియేషన్స్ మన ఎర్త్ మీద పడినాయంటే సో దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్కిన్ క్యాన్సర్స్ విల్ ఫామ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద క్లోరోఫ్లోరోకార్బన్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ రెఫ్రిజిరేటర్స్. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇవి క్లోరోఫ్లోరోకార్బన్స్. ద సిఎఫ్సి రెఫ్రిజిరేటర్ సర్క్యులేట్స్ త్రూ పైప్స్ విత్ ద బ్యాక్ ఆఫ్ రెఫ్రిజిరేటర్స్. సో దీస్ వన్ లేయర్స్. సో దీస్ హార్మ్ఫుల్ కెమికల్స్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇన్ అట్మాస్ఫియర్ అండ్ డీప్లేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓజోన్ లేయర్. మరి ఇందా ఇప్పుడు నాకు చూడండి ఒకటి ఏదో aerosols అని. yeah, these pieces of aerosols can contain a mixture of CFCs and liquid of air freshener used pressure. When pressure is released, the CFC is pulled and push out air freshener in the form of spray. ఎక్కువ మనము హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే చేసుకుంటాం కదా. యా మెనీ ఆఫ్ they're using sprayer. yes, yeah, but these one very harmful. మనం చూసామంటే చూడండి ఒకసారి, పొలిటెంట్ అండ్ పుషెస్ అవుట్ ఎయిర్ ఫ్రెషనర్. సో టోటల్ వచ్చి బయటకు వచ్చేసి టు ఫార్మ్ ద, ఐ థింక్ మనం ఏం చేస్తాం కేక్ మీద ముఖము చేస్తాను ఇలా ఫ్రెష్ చేస్తుంటాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్పాయిల్ టు అవర్ ఫేస్ అండ్ టోటల్ స్కిన్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇన్ కేక్ ఆల్సో. యూ డోంట్ యూజింగ్ వైల్ బర్త్డే టైమ్, అవాయిడ్ ది స్ప్రేయర్స్, రైట్. So they are using in the fire extinguishers and aerosol sprayers. So in 1987, in an attempt to protect ozone layer, so very important question students. Yeah, UNEP. Sometimes they will ask one more question and sometimes they are also in bits also. UNEP, United Nations Environment Program. So in 1987, they attempt to protect ozone layer. UNEP forget an agreement among its member countries to freeze CFCs production at 1986 levels. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ చూస్తాం మనం 2020 this year model and 19 also you can observe in the refrigerators. I think very less CFCR they are using, because of in future also they are avoid the CFCs because of it can damage the ozone layer. I think totally in south and north countries you can observe they are using cold areas. So that's why, so stop the CFCs, rapidly using of CFCs chemicals. That is the depletion of ozone layer.